In December 2024, the crypto world was on fire. The total market cap soared to an all-time high, $3.9 trillion. Bitcoin was booming. Altcoins were thriving. Investors were dreaming of a decentralized future, and it felt closer than ever. But just 4 months later, that dream has unraveled. By April 2025, the total crypto market had plummeted by 30%, falling to just $2.7 trillion. So what triggered this massive shakeup? On April 2nd, former US President Donald Trump announced sweeping new tariffs. 34% on Chinese imports, 24% on Japan, 20% on the European Union. A bold move meant to address trade imbalances. But the shockwaves? Immediate. Just days later, by April 5th, the tariffs took effect. And global markets trembled. The response was swift. Stock futures dropped. Investor confidence slipped. And the crypto market followed. Bitcoin fell to $74,500, but compared to the rest of the market, it held its ground. While high-risk altcoins collapsed, Bitcoin's dominance grew, rising to nearly 60%. In a time of panic, investors clung to what they believed was safest. Even in crypto, there's a flight to safety, and Bitcoin remains the king. But beyond Bitcoin, the scene was brutal. Altcoins, NFTs, meme tokens, all took a beating, some losing over half their value in just days. And on weekends, low liquidity turned minor sell-offs into full-blown crashes. The crypto fear and greed index dropped to 17, signaling extreme fear. Volatility surged, and the growing link between crypto and traditional markets became impossible to ignore. It wasn't just digital assets under pressure. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow Jones all slipped as well. Traditional finance and the crypto world? Now more connected than ever, reacting to global policy like a single heartbeat. Still, not everyone sees doom on the horizon. Some analysts believe this crash could create a setup for the next rally. BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes even speculated that these tariffs could be the catalyst for Bitcoin's next breakout. A bold claim, but not without reason. Meanwhile, world leaders are watching closely. More than 50 countries have approached the US to negotiate new trade deals. The US Treasury Secretary has warned against escalation. But President Trump remains firm, claiming the tariffs are already bringing in tens of billions to the US economy. Markets are nervous, traders are cautious, and investors, both retail and institutional, are re-evaluating their next moves. Because what's unfolding isn't just about crypto. It's about the future of global finance. So what comes next? Will Bitcoin rise from the ashes and lead a new rally? Or are we entering a longer, colder crypto winter? One thing is certain. This is a turning point,